Look at the device in your hand right now. Whether it's an iPhone, an old tablet, or a laptop, take a good look at it. Because in exactly 6 months, that device is going to feel like a relic from the Stone Age. For years, Apple has played a very specific game. They give the Pro users the power, the speed, and the futuristic features, while everyone else gets the leftovers. If you wanted the good stuff, you had to pay the Pro tax. You had to shell out $1,000 just to feel like you were holding the future. But today, the rules of the game have been set on fire. The leaks coming out of Cupertino aren't just rumors anymore. They are a warning. Apple is preparing to launch the iPad 12th generation, and for the first time in history, the budget iPad is no longer a compromise. It is a powerhouse. We are talking about a brain transplant so massive that it's making the iPad Air look redundant, and the iPad Pro look nervous that if you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade your tablet, or if you've ever felt like Apple was holding back their best tech for the elite, this is the video you've been waiting for. By the time we finish this deep dive, you'll understand why the iPad 12 is the most controversial product Apple has released in 5 years. We're going to talk about the A17 Silicon, the secret RAM upgrade that changes the AI game forever, and why the price tag is the biggest shock of all. Don't blink. Because the era of the cheap iPad is over. The era of the universal powerhouse has begun. Let's start with the heart of the matter, the silicon. In the past, the entry-level iPad was always 2 steps behind. If the iPhone had the A18, the iPad got the A16. It was Apple's way of saying, you get what you pay for. But something changed in 2026. The world moved toward AI, what Apple calls Apple Intelligence. And Apple Intelligence is hungry. It's a resource hog. It doesn't work on old chips. To bring AI to the masses, Apple had to do the unthinkable. Internal reports and supply chain leaks from the N3P production lines at TSMC confirm it. The iPad 12 is skipping the line. It is being fitted with the A18 chip, the same monster found in the iPhone 17 series. This isn't just a 10% or 20% speed boost. This is a leap. We are looking at a 6-core CPU that is 50% faster than the previous generation. But the real story is the neural engine. The M5-level AI processing is coming to a $349 tablet. Think about what that means for your daily life. You're not just browsing the web faster. You're using a device that can translate a conversation in 20 languages without an internet connection. You're using a device that can rewrite your emails, summarize your 50-page textbooks in 3 seconds, and edit a 4K video as if it were a simple photo. But there is a secret upgrade that nobody is talking about, and it's the most important part of this entire machine. For a decade, Apple has been stingy with RAM. They gave us 4 GB, then 6 GB. But the iPad 12 is rumored to jump straight to 8 GB of unified memory. Why? Because you can't run a localized large language model, LLM, on 6 GB. By giving the base iPad 8 GB of RAM, Apple isn't just making it faster. They are making it future-proof. Most people buy a base iPad and keep it for 5, 6, even 7 years. With the A18 and 8 GB of RAM, the iPad 12 isn't just a 2026 device. It's a 2032 device. This is the first time Apple has given their cheapest customers enough overhead to